Shut up and sit down.
Welcome back to Financial Phoenix. In today's video, in our Back to Basics series, we're going to discuss the order in which you do your Dollar General transaction in order to ensure that it goes super smooth. So this is going to be helpful information for newbie couponers or anyone who needs a little bit of a refresher on Dollar General, even if you're a veteran and have been couponing for a while. So remember, you can always follow us on Instagram or join our Facebook deals group for deal alerts, clearance alerts, everything like that, breakdowns. And let's go ahead and get started. First, we'll look at doing an all digital transaction, meaning we only use coupons that come from our digital Dollar General account, no paper coupons. As we learned from our first Back to Basics video, you have to spend at least $25 on Saturday at Dollar General in order to make sure that your $5 coupon is coming off. So the first step is to gather your products that you're going to check out with and ensure that you're spending at least $25. Next, head up to the register and begin placing your items on the counter. The cashier will scan them in, and once they're finished, ask them to hit total, although most will know to do that anyway. And just ensure again that you're spending that $25. If you're good to go, at this point you'll use the touchpad to put in your phone number that's associated with your Dollar General account. Make sure you're using the correct one if you have more than one account. Once you put your phone number in, any coupons that can apply to your transaction will do so. That includes your 5 off of 25, which is going to come off first. So you'll see that deduction, and then all of your other coupons on your different products that you purchased will also come off. What's left over plus tax is your new total, and that's what you'll pay upon leaving the store. It's important to note too, for your receipt purposes, that the $5 coupon is not deducted in a single amount, but rather in little chunks of cents and change that are deducted from each item in your transaction. I'm not sure why Dollar General does this. It does tend to be confusing, but that's how you'll see it show up on your receipt. Next, let's take a look at a transaction where we're using both digital and paper coupons. So it starts out the exact same way. Gather your items that you want to purchase, head up to the register, scan them in, and have the cashier hit total. Make sure you're spending at least $25. That's all the same. If you have a paper 5 off of 25 coupon, this is the time to hand it over once the cashier hits total. You want to make sure that $5 is coming off first because you want the register to see that you're spending $25 before it takes off all those other coupon amounts. Otherwise, that $5 won't come off. Does that make sense? If you have any questions about that, leave them in the comments down below. I know that can be a little bit confusing for some people. You definitely want to make sure $5 comes off before everything else. That way, the rest of those coupons will come off and everything will go smoothly. But what if we have a digital 5 off of 25 coupon and other paper coupons that we want to use? Same thing. Grab your items, head to the register, scan them in, have the cashier hit total, then put in your phone number to get that 5 off of 25 to come off first, and then hand over any paper coupons that you have last. The bottom line is you always want your $5 coupon to come off as early in the transaction as possible. That way the cash register sees you paying $25, and then we can take off all the rest of those discounts. There are a couple of cases where you'll deviate from this pattern, such as with instant savings and gain deals, but those are for an intermediate video later on. For right now, all you need to know is 5 off of 25 coupon as early in the transaction as possible, and you should be good to go. Thanks so much for checking out this video, you guys. I really appreciate it. Make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss the next installment in this Back to Basics series, which is all about the other forms of savings that you can get at Dollar General that we haven't even covered yet. So be sure to leave us a thumbs up if you liked it, share, and help somebody out who may need a little bit of savings on their groceries this month. And remember to save money, make money, and dream big. Bye, everybody.
Shut up and sit down.